We have airdrops to claim. We got the Eclipse Airdrop, we got Optimism Airdrop, and we got some super important updates to talk about. So with that said, we jump straight to the laptop. First thing first, we go and claim our Eclipse Airdrop. I did believe it, and I did farm it, as we see over here, and I got 2,500 tokens. So let me know your total token allocation down below. I will leave the link to go and claim. And what can you do? Well, trading starts in about a few hours. So it's gonna first let the community claim, and then it's gonna start trading. You can already open position on a few exchanges, but the real trading starts later. But what can you do with the token if you do support it? Well, as we see over here on Invariant, which you can still farm, is a protocol on Eclipse. As we see here, I got about, it's about 48 cent a token, 50 cent a token. As you see here, 2,500 token, $1,200. So what you can do is provide liquidity and earn on the fees. For example, on the we got the ES Ethereum and the ES USDC. So simply go over here. You can put max ES, and you can see, as we see here, earn a lot of points by doing that, or you can go and sell it. It's completely up to you. But Eclipse gives you the possibility to earn liquidity, to earn points for their upcoming airdrop as well. As we see here, I am doing it, and in my portfolio I'm doing Ethereum and TETH, which is the one that I'm doing the most. But you can also do, as of today, Eclipse token with Ethereum and Eclipse token with USDC. So make sure to go and claim it, put them to good use, and start getting points for Invariant, which you're still in time, so make sure to go and do that. And as well on Astral, I still keep providing liquidity on Astral, where you simply, instead of providing liquidity, you borrow tokens and you lend other token. My strategy is to borrow USDC, lend USDC, borrow Ethereum, swap them for TETH, and supply TETH. And that is how I'm able to get 295 on the leaderboard. So the link will be down below for you to do the same strategy. But Eclipse and Invariant and Astral, Eclipse, you're able to go and claim it. Make sure to go and check it, and make sure to go and tell me what you think and how many tokens you did receive. On another note, I do want to go and bring you to something that is super nice. If you ever wanted to trade with like $100,000, wallet, but you don't have the money, now you can. This is a Breakout. Now, Breakout is something that I have found, and as you see here, I got my account activated. And basically, what it allows you to do, it allows you to go and buy a funded account on crypto, which is absolutely amazing. You see all the Forex people talking about it. Now you have it in crypto. Account size can be from 5,000 to 100,000. And as we see here, for a $100,000 account with 100,000 real money, it allows you to go and pay for only $1,000. And then you're able to go and trade with $100,000. You got a few steps in verification, step 1 or 2 step, in terms that you need to first make $5,000, then you need to make $10,000 to prove you're not lucky. And then you keep this $100,000 account until you go on a max daily loss of 5% or a max drawdown of 8%. You're able to trade with 5x. So how does it work? Well, the link will be down below. Make sure to go and utilize the code that you see on the screen right now to go and participate and get yourself a discount. Very, very important. But once you get approved, once you buy your protocol, once you buy your account over here, you're able to go and open the terminal, and it will be redirected right here. So this is my trading with them right now. And as we see, I opened a few positions yesterday when I was starting to try it out, and after I got accepted, I went into more trading. And as we see here, these are all the profits. So let's go and close them and showcase you how to actually do. As we see here, close the position, field order, close the position, field order, close the position, field order. So we got some profit. And here you go. I got the $100,000 account. And basically what you do is simply come here, buy and sell, long or short the token with a 5x maximum. Let's say I go and long, for example, Ethereum. Let me go and put 1 Ethereum right here. And I will go and long it and buy it. The same I will do with Bitcoin. We can put, let's say, I would say 0.5. And then we can go and buy it, as we see right here, send order. And the same with something else here. You can simply go and put any other token. So for example, link, we can go and open a 50 positions over with the link token, buy, and we are good to go. And as you see here, you're basically trading with $100,000 account, not of your money. Your only money is the 1,000 or the one that you decide to go and purchase right here. Make sure to do it with the link down below. You do get a discount. Make sure to start trading, and once you start trading, it is super easy. You get approved, you get to the dashboard, you see all of your steps, all of your profit, all of your volume, all of your balances once you get activated, and then you go to trade and you get some good money for trading with not your money, but for a fraction of what this account costs. Because 10% of 100,000 is $10,000 if you make profit. 10% of 1,000, which is what you're paying for it, is only $100. So you see where it goes. And as you see right here, the Eclipse token, you have 30-day window to go and claim it. So it ends on August 15th. So make sure to go and do it. We also have the tokenomics talking about the project itself. We got 35% on the ecosystem, 20% to contributors. We got 31% to early supporters and investors, and 15% airdrop and liquidity. I would have switched this one. I would have made 31% airdrop and 15% early supporters and investors, but they've done like this. So up to you what you want to go and do. Next up, over on GRBT, we got some mad news. This is super important. We know GRBT for the airdrop that are gonna go and have, and that you're able to go and trade, which I do have a position. But as of right now, we have the invest voice right here. Basically, what this allows is copy trading on GRBT professional traders. So I went on and decided to go and put, as we see here from my investment tab, I will leave the link down below to go and grab it. I put $100, as we see right here, my shares, $100 on all 5 different investment strategies. As we see here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the 5 strategies that you can go and pick. And I decided to go and put $500. So I allocated $100 on each, as we see right here. And we are gonna go and see what we get. So the early APR boost is 20% on all of them, plus you get an estimated APR depending on the past trader options that these guys have: 93%, 30%, 70%, 40%, and 40%. So I will bring you all the updates for it. I will let you know how it goes. But if you want to copy trade somebody that is better than you at trading, but you would like to make money trading, then GRBT with the copy trading is the best. If you are good at it, if you are the best at it, then go over to the Breakout prop right here, which is what I use for trading myself. Go and get yourself an account activated, showcase them that you are a good trader, and start making a lot of money with Breakout. Because as we said, 10% of 100,000 is 10,000 if you make profit. 10% of 1,000, which is what you would be paying for a $100,000 account, is only $100. So you do the math, you see the profit, and make sure to go and do it. If you want to copy trade, go to GRBT, because these new features is absolutely incredible, and I can't wait to go and share you with you also how well in a day. I literally just started. This is brand new. I think it came out yesterday, and I just went to deposit. So I will let you know once I see some profit, my profit and loss. I will bring it to you, and we're gonna go and celebrate together. Next up, we got the super stack rewards are claimable now over on Optimism, as we're able to go and see over here. The super stacks reward, make sure to go and claim your Optimism Airdrop, which is super easy. Simply go to the link down below, and if you are eligible, no rewards available. I'm not eligible for this one, nor I didn't even evaluate how it was. The program ended anyway on June 30th, so I didn't really know what it was, but there was a total value contribution of 205 million with only 53,000 participants. So if you're in it, then congratulations, go to the airdrop voice, sign up with Ethereum, as we see over here with the MetaMask wallet, click on confirm and check out if you are eligible or not for it, which I personally am not eligible, but let me know if you are. Next up, we have the TAC airdrop claim is now live. The airdrop is claimable for 2 groups. We got the TAC Powell campaign participant, if you are one of them, or the First Force SBT holder. So 2 different possibilities to be eligible for this airdrop in case you ever participate. Once again, in this one, I never participate, but we can go through it, connect your wallet, and see if you are eligible with the Ton wallet over on Telegram. So I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and check it, because don't fade anything, because you might actually be good. Next up, we got the Linera task for another 500 point, as we see right here. They dropped a new task. I will leave you the link down below. Make sure to go and verify your Linera roles, and simply all free. Discord, Twitter, very simple stuff to go and do, so make sure to go and do that. And next up, we got the Yala airdrop checker. This is an airdrop checker, so you're not yet able to go and claim it, compared to what, for example, we have over on Eclipse. I'm not eligible for it, but you can connect your, your Phantom wallet, your EVM wallet, and simply go and check whether or not you have the possibility to get tokens or not. I don't think I'd never even participate in it. So yeah, let me know if you can, down in the comments below. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure to go and join the Blackout prop, which is absolutely amazing for you to go and trade. And I do think it's one of the best platforms, the Breakout prop platform, the prop firm, which is a funding account firm. Make sure to go and participate. With that said, thank you for watching, and see you later. Ciao, guys.